In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a small flex head long handle quick release ratchet wrench. This is a small quick release ratchet wrench. The adjustable ratchet head helps solve access issues in tight spaces. The extended handle provides greater torque, making bolt removal and bolt tightening easier and more efficient. Next, we will demonstrate the tool. We selected a suitable socket and prepared the target fastener. First, install the socket. Press and hold the button on the ratchet head. Insert the socket. When the selector lever is moved to the left, it rotates counterclockwise. This is the removal mode. When the selector lever is moved to the right, it rotates clockwise. This is the tightening mode. Next, we will demonstrate the tool in use. First is the removal mode. Align the socket with the target fastener. Rotate the quick release ratchet wrench to remove the fastener. If the working area is too tight, we can adjust the ratchet head position. This helps solve access issues in confined spaces. Move the selector lever to the right side for tightening mode. Rotate the quick release ratchet wrench in the same way to tighten the fastener.